Hi everybody, it's Hili Zavaro. Today I want to show you how to create an online digital worksheet using Wizer with 4 steps. We engage students, teach them something new, practice at the basic LOTS level, and apply at the HOTS level, high order thinking skills. So we go through 4 steps. And so let's see how we do it. First, we want to create an account with Wizer. We go to wizer.me, join now, and we create our account. We say that we are teachers, and then we can log in with Google. That's the easiest way to do it as teachers. After we log in, we want to click Create Worksheet. Now we want to start with an engaging picture. So let's say the topic here, we write the topic, let's say animals, and then we have many tasks to choose from. So perhaps we want to start with an engaging and interesting picture that will spark curiosity. So of course we want to choose a picture ahead of time, and what we want to do is we want to click on image, the image activity, choose a picture. So we click upload, click to upload, and we choose a picture that's related to our topic. Here in the title, we want to say, look at the picture below. Can you guess what our topic, what is the lesson about? Can you guess what is the lesson about, or what will we learn about today, or what's the topic of the lesson, or perhaps what is the topic of the text that we are going to read? So there are many ways to phrase that question. We can also add a recording if we think our students need it. We can click here and record. Hi everybody, it's me, Hili, your English teacher. Please have a look at the photo and think, what will we learn about today? Write your answer right below. Then we click upload. Then we're going to click done. And we're done. Now we just need to place a room for them to actually write the answer. So we are going to add an open question here. And we can just copy the question from here. And we can also just write it differently below. We click done, and then we add the question. Enter question. Look at the picture. Can you guess what is the lesson about? And then we click done. Now we want to add a word cloud, so we go to answergarden.ch. That's a different website, completely different website. Then you click plus, and then you write your question. For example, we need to add a question that will activate prior knowledge. So we can write, what animals do you already know? We can also write, what is your favorite animal, or anything at all, anything to make them engage with the topic and activate any prior knowledge they have. Then we are going to click share. Scroll down and copy this code where it says embed your answer garden. So we're going to copy this link where it says embed your answer garden. We are going to go back to the Wizer. Now we're going to choose an embed activity. And we are going to click here where it says paste embed code here. We're going to paste the code. And that's it. We have a word cloud. I don't think we need a title or anything. We're just going to click done. And the word cloud is going to be added to the worksheet. We can click got it. And then we have a word cloud where students can actually write something like lion or dog, and then all the students basically add their answers, and you can see and they can see the most common answers because they get bigger and bigger the more people write the same answers. So that's a wonderful word cloud to make them think and see. Probably most students are going to write dog and cat, and so now you are going to say that we are going to learn new animals today, and we are going to go to the teaching step, the teaching phase. So we are going to choose a song that really helps teach the animals, either a song, a video, anything you'd like. This can also just be a PowerPoint slide. It can be a picture. I'm going to show you both options. So let's say we found a really good video. We are going to copy the link from the top as we go to the video. Then we are going to click on video here, the word video. This activity, we are going to paste it where it says enter video link. I'm going to paste the link, and I'm going to write a title like watch the following video and think, what animals do you see in the video clip? And that's it. I'm going to write done, and the video is embedded. But let's say we don't want to teach something new using video. We want to teach something new using maybe a PowerPoint slide, something that we have. So let's say we want to teach using this. We have a slide on a PowerPoint that really teaches something properly. So we are going to click File, Save As, and then we are going to change here to JPEG, and we're going to name it My Teaching Part, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to click just this one because as you are standing on a specific slide, you want to save that specific slide as a picture. So make sure you are on the specific slide that you like, and then click just this one. It will save that specific slide as a JPEG. Now we're going to go back to the Wizer Me, and instead of the video, of course, instead of the video, let's say we don't want the video, we can click on Image and just upload the slide. We're going to click Upload, click to upload, and upload the slide that we want with the new information. And then done. And then done. And you are done. So let's say that this is the slide where you teach something new. You can do that. So I'm going to continue this example using the video. So right now I'm just going to delete. In order to delete, you click on the little trash can. Yes, do it. And if you ever get confused and the order is not right, you can always click on the three dots, change questions order, and instead of, let's say, this being number 3 and you want this to be number 1, you go to number 1 and you just change the order. It's very easy. So right after students watch the video, we want to give them very, very simple exercises, simple vocabulary exercises about words in the song, something very easy. We want it to be gradual. We want it to be from easy to more difficult. So we can add not an open question. We can add multiple choice question, blanks, fill on image. So let's click fill on an image. Upload an image from the computer. And then we wait a few seconds, and then we get a box for the title, a box for the instructions, and we start labeling. So the first step with the label activity, you want to add a word bank. And you want to make sure that students see this word bank properly here. You add it, you write it yourself, and then you start labeling and adding the words, a fish, etc., a jellyfish. And then you get a really nice activity where students label the words. You click done, and so as they click, They are able to add a word. We can also add a multiple choice question. We write the question here and then we add multiple choices. For example, in the enter question, we write the horse has one and then we can add tail, ear, eye, and we can even add more answers. And we definitely have to tick and choose the correct answer. Again, we can always record our voice for students who need it. And then we click done. So it looks like this. Now we're going to choose blanks. Now we are going to go to enter blanks text here. And we are going to write something. Let's say the horse has one tail, it has 4 legs and 2 eyes. Then we are going to click on click word bank because that's the easiest word bank where they don't need to remember the spelling or anything. And then we're going to choose a word and then click blanket. Eyes, blanket. Legs, blanket. Then we want to write the instructions, fill in the missing words. We always want to give instructions. It's very, very important. And then done. And so we have a fill in the gap, exercise, multiple choice, label a picture, all very easy lots questions. We can even add a matching activity where they simply draw a line from column A to column B. We added title, for example, draw a line or anything else. Instructions, draw a line from column A to column B. We want to give them specific instructions. We can also record. And then we start adding, for example, a horse. And then we can write it, let's say, sus. And then we click enter and tab. And we add another one. For example, my is barking, and then we can write dog. And more ideas and more things that you can add. When you finish, click done. And it will look like this. And then you can also add a drawing activity, draw, and ask them to draw a word. The title would be drawing instructions. Draw two dogs and 1 elephant, for example. And so they get to practice the vocabulary and they have a drawing board. Click done and you are done. So we have some very easy lots questions to just make sure they practice on a basic level. So what we do now is we add something that will be more creative. We will click open question. And we will add something to record, perhaps, or write. And so what you need to do is give it a title. For example, record your voice. Instructions, what is your favorite animal and why? You can start by saying, so we give them the scaffoldings. My favorite animal is blank. I like it because it is adjective and And you can also give instructions on how to record. Click the record button to record your voice. All right. And that's it. And then you click done. And you are done. You have some lots and some hots and you're ready to go. So to assign this to learners, first click review to make sure everything works fine. What you need to do is first choose the worksheet grades, for example, 4th grade. Subject is English or ELA or English. And then you click save and it will be saved. Then you want to click on review and see what it looks like and see if there are any mistakes, anything weird. Perhaps you want to change the design. You can always change the design on Wizer Me. If I go back to create and edit, I can change the design. Right here you can choose any design you like. And it will be changed automatically. So you want to click assign to learners and via link, and you want to make sure you give them automatic feedback and you make your worksheet public, or else you'll need to pay for it. Then you click create assignment. You click on the little chain, the icon of the link, and you give this to students. you will end up seeing their answers here. Under answers, you will see all their answers. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will make wonderful, wonderful, well-structured worksheets. Bye-bye.